In this video, we are going to discuss the functional form of regression and application of Ramsey RESET test. For this, we will discuss the example of Laffer curve. It shows the non-linear relationship between tax revenue and tax rate. Non-linear means inverted U shape here. For this purpose, we have to run a regression first, in which dependent variable is tax revenue and independent variable is tax rate. Then OK. Here this is a regression result, and we can see there's a significant positive effect or significant positive relationship between tax rate and tax revenue. Now we have to check whether the relationship is linear or non-linear. So we are going to apply the Ramsey RESET test. For this, go to View, Stability Diagnostics, then Ramsey RESET test. When we click on RESET test, the RESET specification means what you are going to test, either the non-linear with the square form, or you are going to check cubic function. So one means the square form will be checked. So if we place OK, so t-test shows the significant effect of expected significant effect of the square term of the variable. So this is the fitted value, and this shows the significant effect. It means the function is nonlinear up to power 2. Before running the equation of power 2, we will check whether the relationship is cubic or square only. So the number of fitted term is 2. It means we are going to check the fitted term with power 2 and power 3, means square and cube. Then OK. So F test is significant, but the expected value of both forms, square and cubic forms, are insignificant. So first we will start from cubic function, taking tax rate with square and tax rate with cube. Then OK. So here we can see the cubic relationship is not significant in the data, so we will exclude this cubic term, and this is the square term, regression with the square term. Here we can see the results are significant, and the coefficient of tax rate is positive and the square of tax rate is negative. Both variables are significant, so sign of these variables show that the Laffer curve exists in the data. So I hope this video will helps you to understand the functional form of regression and application of Ramsey RESET test. If you like the video, so like, share and subscribe my channel TJ Academy.